Head Start is the benefit you get from working with Survitec from design through construction to operations, ensuring safety throughout the vessel lifecycle. There's always been benefits working with quality OEMs right from the start of a vessel design. But there are key trends right now that's making it even more importantly, and there are mainly three. The first is the push towards autonomous shipping. The second is the green push and alternative fuels coming in. And the third is digitalization. Survitec is quite unique in that we offer prevention, detection and suppression systems. Survitec is also unique in the broad range of agents that we use. Foam, gas, water, powder. We can basically assess what are the requirements, what advantages, what pros and cons do you consider most important, and then we can advise you on the optimal design for your vessel. The key is your requirements. We help you find the right solution, and then we help you throughout the vessel life cycle with maintaining the safety of these. The primary way in which Survitec differs from other during the construction phase is that we have teams both where the ship owner sits in countries like Norway, the UK and the US, and where the ship is being built in yards like Korea, Turkey or China. This gives the added advantage of direct communication, making it easier to make modifications, changes, make sure the work is being done on time and so forth. So pretty much any global port that your vessel trades in will be able to support you with local service technicians trained on the equipment that you have on board, with information from the OEM on what systems you have on board, how they're configured, the maintenance regime with the correct spare parts, and also able to assist with things like training or troubleshooting. The other great benefit about the network is that we have a customer-centric customer service and sales organization that sits close to where you have your offices, meaning you can contact them in your language, with one bank account, with your own currency, and you have access to this worldwide network through one point of contact. And of course, finally, through our new digital systems on board your ship, we can even assist you well at sea with our centers of expertise, helping you with troubleshooting, software updates, or just fine-tuning the system like we do on our inert gas system to help you reduce fuel. Well, the centers of expertise is important for three main reasons. First of all, they of course keep up to date on safety trends and regulation, knowing of course what is coming, what is required, and how do we best solve different types of challenges like the ones alternative fuels bring up. The second reason is of course that they do research and development into new products and systems, enabling things like digitalization, listening to the customer feedback in the aftermarket, but then bringing it into new products that they bring to market. And the third thing is of course that they are experts at the system. So if you do have a challenge and the normal service technician is unable to provide a solution, we have this additional support in the background that can help with documentation, that can fly out or that can access it remotely and provide further support. The heart of this is getting this head start at the beginning of the life cycle so that you're set up for a life of safety at sea.